Meaning of data mining.
Data mining.
Data mining.
Data mining.
Data mining. Data mining refers to the process of discovering patterns, relationships, and insights from large datasets using statistical and computational techniques. By analyzing vast amounts of raw data, data mining can extract valuable information and identify trends that might not be obvious otherwise. Data mining has applications in various fields, such as marketing, finance, healthcare, and scientific research. The end result of data mining is often a set of actionable insights that can help organizations make better decisions, improve business processes, and gain a competitive edge in their respective industries.